Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to buy a game on Steam. First, you need to go to your Steam website and make sure that you are logged in. After login, you need to go to the game which you need to purchase. For example, we are taking this game right now. Click on that game. Scroll down a bit, you will see the option of add to cart. Buy the game. Click on add to cart. After add the click to cart, you have to click on view my cart. For now, I just want to purchase this game, so I am removing it from my cart. So as you can see, this game is added to my cart. Now I have to go with the continue to payment. After going to continue to payment, I can buy it with my Visa card or MasterCard or whichever details from whichever platform I want to make a payment. I can make it by filling the details which they are asking for. After that, I will click the continue, and after continue, you have successfully purchased the game. After purchasing, you have to come to this home page again. Then you will see this your names option. You have to go to the games option here. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, it will lower and take you to this page. You have to go to the all games and you will find the downloaded game here, and you can play with from here. So I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, then make sure to like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.